Told you.
El Nino strikes again. Nobody is safe. All right, good morning, guys. Look who I found, baby Evie. Say hi, Evie.
Hi.
Say hi. You guys, it's still snowing. El Nino is in full swing. Full swing. Zaid, can you say El Nino?
Dada.
Good.
Hi.
Ambry, can you say El Nino?
Amino.
El Nino. That's why we have so much snow. What? What? Oh, you want to say hi? Say El Nino. Baby Evie slept in her crib last night. Did good as far as I know. I think she only woke up once or twice to feed, so. She's a rock star. Oh my goodness, you guys.
Told you.
El Nino strikes again. Nobody is safe. El Nino. Daisy, can you say El Nino?
It's cold.
Can you say El Nino?
El Nino.
Okay, girls' room is.
We did it. Finally.
What's it ready for?
Santa.
One room ready for Santa. The rest of the house to go. How does it feel in here, girls?
Good. Good.
Daisy, how does it feel?
Good. Good.
Let's keep it this way. We just finished up opening all the stuff from the P.O. box and I'm seriously blown away. You guys are all so nice. Sharon, Christy, just everybody. Abigail, you guys are all so wonderful. We decided to start opening things on Snapchat, so hopefully you're there following me there. But look at these Minion shirts. You guys are all awesome. It says selfie Ender. You see a Minion shirt? It's dirty already. Good job. Lots of stuff for baby E too.
Oh, you guys are the best, seriously.
Oh, another bath time, baby Evie?
I'm just cleaning her neck and her head because we've been kissing her and then she gets milk down here.
It's okay. You smell better. Don't you want to smell good?
Oh, we have to get her a little neck.
And Coco here is a water snob. She only drinks water fresh from the faucet. There you go, Coco. Okay, what do you got here, Zaid?
Yesterday me and Seth spent all day on this fort.
This is a sweet fort.
You have no idea how long it
Did it take a while? It took you like 4 hours, didn't it?
7.
7. Look at this thing. This is heavy duty.
One time, I came charging like a bull at it, and this wall is so stable that like I smashed my head into it. I was hurt for a while, and I didn't even make a dent.
I wouldn't recommend smashing like a bull into ice. The roads are way better today. There wasn't quite enough snow yesterday, but there is tons of snow today. So I got Zaid and his friend back there. We're gonna go off-road for a little bit. And yeah, no GoPro back there today, but this is still awesome. I need a four-wheeler, but our car will do for now. All right, how is it?
Fun but insane.
Cold?
Not really.
Too cold?
I'm here too.
You guys wanna go back?
Yeah. Yes.
Go home or go do more?
Go do more.
So the kids have been wanting to go outside and blow bubbles, and looks like Ambry put Ender's stuff on for him, so. She takes care of her baby brother. Redhead's gotta stick together, you know? Redhead's gotta stick together.
She did good. Whoa. Davey,
Christmas came early for Davey. Oh yeah.
once again, he gets early Christmas presents.
I just need them. I need them early.
For himself.
So let me tell you, when you buy stuff used, I usually walk into deals ready to negotiate. Yeah, and I'm usually like, I'm not going. Nobody ever pays what people are asking, and I'm usually like, I'll pay this much, and then I'm gonna walk if they won't accept it. But this time, the guy was like, yeah, I don't really have time. I'm selling all my toys. And I was...
Davey wanted to pay him double what he was asking pretty much because he
What? No.
felt bad.
Double. And then...
You just didn't barter at all.
No, yeah, it came down to it. And I was going to give him a price. But then he was saying how he just lost his job. And he got laid off. And he's selling all his toys.
You should have paid him double, poor guy.
That was all I had. But then I was like, okay, I think this is a fair price. I'll pay you all of it. And he's like, what? Oh, thank you. So, that was good. This thing's sweet. Boots have come a long way since I was a boy.
They rotate? Probably spent almost $100 just on
Look at
the
this.
boots.
All you do?
Do they fit good?
Yeah.
Dad, you don't even know how to snowboard.
Whatever.
Yes, he
dude.
does. He just hasn't gone since he had you little monkeys because he's been busy raising you.
I don't drink alcohol. I might have to take that off. Other than
It's
that.
a sweet ride, though. Hopefully
ride.
it doesn't break.
Honey, these boots.
It looks a little hashed up, but you know.
Okay, let me tell you something about me and snowboarding. I used to go and I used to be okay, but then I got married and had kids and I stopped going.
I actually used to have a board
I
too.
used to go too.
Now I'm better than him on a snowboard.
Oh, whatever. Get out of here.
Please.
You
Dave.
can't even go down that hill.
Yeah, right.
Okay, on your little kid board, my feet didn't even fit in it.
Sure.
I will. You look really old right now, so stop growing up, okay?
I doubt you can go down that hill on this. But you'll fall down.
Whatever, dude.
Smack talk.
Oh, Santa's here.
Grandma Bear Claus.
Grandma Bear Claus. Oh, there's Georgie boy too.
Hi.
You made it.
Yes, we made it. Despite all the...
Oh, snow marker.
Play out in the snow.
Nice.
She's using the wrap.
Candies for you. Candies for you.
Ender says to my mom, you got this for me?
Wow. And you got that?
Oh, look. Tries to get it
What do you got? You got all this? Fancy scarf and gloves?
That's for playing with your Legos.
Fancy. Oh,
Cute
look at
little
the
mini
booties.
star boots. These are cute. 6 months.
Those are crayons.
6 to 12 months. These will be for next winter.
Yep.
All right, April, keep a close eye. They're already talking about stealing this baby.
Only for the first few years.
I'm just kidding. You just got out and walked for a while.
Yes.
Yeah, Siri told us to park and get to hiking. We were like, what?
I'm glad you didn't listen to her. You guys, this is Austin and Jess. They just got engaged.
So I'm putting on Davey's boots because I can't find mine. Yeah, that looks good. I'm gonna go out here and film my mom. She decided she wants to jump on the trampoline with the snow because she's just a big kid. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Coco, come here. Okay, let's see it. Belly flop.
Oh, belly flop. All right.
It won't break.
Look at that sunset though. Okay, I'm cold, I'm going back in.
It happens so fast that I never know she's on it.
A lot anticlimactic. It is time for the annual Orgill Siblings Christmas name draw out exchange. Come down here, please, children. We're going to put names in a hat. There's one right there.
What are we doing?
Okay, draw a name out of a hat, and that is who I will be buying a present for. But you'll be but you'll be picking it out. Close your eyes. Turn around once. Turn around once. Again. Okay, stand on one foot and draw a name out. One, just one. Okay, who do you get?
Ender.
Oh, you're buying for Ender. Okay, Ender, turn around.
Close your eyes.
Okay, turn all the way around.
Close your eyes.
Okay, pick a name out. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Pick a paper. Get a piece of paper.
Pull it out.
Okay, who do you got?
Zayd.
Oh, Zayd. Zayd, come over here.
Ender's
Stand on one foot.
for you.
Who is it? Zayd. Wait, what? Dang it. How many kids do we have? I wrote Zayd's name twice.
Cool, I do.
Look at your face right now. Your hair looks like on
Cool, I get two.
parted down the middle.
Are we sure? Okay, wait. Amber, draw it again. That one didn't count. Ender's buying for Zaid.
Why do I have Ender buying for me?
Okay.
I can choose.
Me.
No, you. Okay, put it back. Okay, here. Okay, here. You're drawing for EB. And Zaid. Draw it out. Draw it out. What's it? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
There's only one left.
Oh, Amber. Okay. Let's go to Walmart.
Typical middle child always getting left.
You're gonna
You want to go to Walmart?
Yeah, no, they're
Presents! All right, so we decided to take turns. We're gonna buy the, April's out in the car with the kids. Ender is buying for Zaid first, right? Okay, let's find Zaid a present. Oh, okay. Okay, Daisy. Enter the mind of Ender. Think like a baby. What would he want? Talk like a baby too, it will help.
Okay.
Okay, more, talk like a baby.
Which aisle should we do?
Okay, let's go get Ender a present. Okay, now it's Amber's turn. Who you buying for? EB. What do you want to get her? Some cute clothes? Okay. Daisy, you wait your turn, okay?
I know.
All right, now we shall bring each child in one at a time and wrap their Christmas presents. All right, guys, I think this is as good a time as any to end the vlog. What do you think, April?
Yeah.
Oh, good day.
It was a fun day. We had a lot of fun visitors, and thanks Austin and Jess for coming over and bringing a fun gift. And Carly sent a gift too. Thank you, Carly. That was so nice.
Yeah, Carly and Jackson sent a gift with them and some baby clothes for baby EB, so
Super cute.
that was awesome.
We'll see you tomorrow, guys. Christmas special coming soon.
Okay, good night, guys. Thanks for watching. We love you. Oh, wait, before we close the vlog, there's this little monkey up here.
Pooh, do you want to go change her?
Yeah, sure.
Baby,
Baby EB, hi, beautiful. Did you know that we love you so much and you're the only present we need?
Amber, you can.
We love you. Yes, we do.
baby.
Tell her she's the best present ever.
You're the best present ever.
And you guys, the beard stays for now because I have a little bit of a cold. April does not kiss beards. And I figure, since I cannot be kissed right now because of my cold, let's go with the facial hair.
Yours is really pokey.
They all are. There's no soft beards. Is there soft
I
beards?
think once it gets longer, it's soft, but you've never gotten into
They're all... Anybody that kisses beards, tell me if there's soft beards out there.